Hey guys, how's it going? We are on our way to the Grand Canyon and just did a short stop on a super cool spot on Route 66, which is called the Hackberry. Actually, it's kind of a museum of the Route 66, and we have several cool vintage classic cars. And let's see over here, we got a cool old toilet. Then we got some cool signs over here. Then we go on with this super cool fort. We got some cool mountains in the background. Super nice view. And yeah, and there we go. Here's kind of shop of the Hackberry. So let's see around what we got out here. An old police car. There's some nice flat tires. Chevrolet. Here we got a nice station wagon. Mercury. Let's head over to the next ones. Oh geez, here's like kind of half car. Then we got the frame of a motorcycle. Oh, this looks like real horns. There we got some old agricultural machinery and a bunch of different cars. Yeah, actually a pretty nice spot over here. Just can recommend to take a stop over, and yeah, let's see what else we got over here. Super nice Thunderbird coupe. Here we got another station wagon, which is super large. Over there, a bunch of different parts. We got a nice pickup. I guess it's a Ford or maybe Chevy. Oh, then we got a Mercedes over here. over here another coupe Ford, just super large. Honestly, the condition of the interiors looks trashy, but still from the outside the car is looking pretty good. Besides the fact that they're standing probably a few decades over here. Yeah, that was actually it. That was our stopover, and yeah, stay tuned.